Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at Walgreens to see what they have out this season for Halloween. If you haven't noticed, they've replaced their glass front refrigerators with screens, and it advertised Halloween, so that's a good sign. They always have these sort of light up things for trick-or-treaters. That's not bad, but I mean, we do see them every single year, but I don't think I've seen this Day of the Dead light before, a skull light set, so that's different. I actually kind of like the packaging that they've got going on this year with just these light sets. It looks a little more upscale than I think we've seen in years past, so that's a nice change of pace. They have an assortment. Well, there's a Jack Skellington wreath, but they do have an assortment of masks. That one didn't do anything. The try me buttons on these didn't really work. I'm kind of curious to know what they do, though. I assume it was just the eyes light up, but who knows. I actually have a pet costume here. It's a piece of sushi, but it's better than nothing, I guess. Alright, we've got a lot of spider webbing. And look at this. These are like little glow sticks that you can, I don't know, attach to your clothing to make an outline. It's interesting. Here's I guess this is like a door hanger or something. With the kids from Nightmare Before Christmas, the Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Is that it? But there's only the 3, so if you want all 3, you better go quick. Here's some more animated figures. Okay, so we had a witch and a ghost, and there's a pumpkin man back here who's a little hard to get to. He looks very creepy. Stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to see what he says. Until then, let's just keep taking a look around. We've got some trick-or-treat bags and little goodie bags there as well. Some decorative figurines. There's Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas, some Day of the Dead, and look at that Jack Skellington in front of a fountain. Right, what else have we got here? I guess Walgreens is getting into the Halloween Gnomes. Haven't seen that before here, I don't think, but obviously it's popular, so they need to get on board with it. And we've got, what is this thing? Some sort of slime that is in a skull. Oh, I like this little, I guess it's a candy dish or something. Got some skeletons and some more little mini light up. I guess they call those non-candy treats, so you could give those away instead of sending your trick-or-treaters out with them. What is that thing? I don't know, but I kind of like it. Right, just some decorative decor. Some skeleton. Oh, I like the way the lights, or the eyes blink. That's kind of nice. And then a little candle holder. Looks like a hand. Little toys for your, if you're having a Halloween party. And then here's, I guess, just some other light up decor. I like the way this lantern flickers. That looks very realistic. Or if not realistic, at least it's pretty bold. Alright, we'll come back to the skeleton, but they've got some, is that fall leaves? Some Day of the Dead. I like these the candles. I bought more of those at the Dollar Tree, different design, but it was only $1 compared to the 3 that you're going to pay here, so. Alright, we've got some, here is oh, that's kind of neat. I don't know why we would want the jack is in or back, but what would you use that for? I don't know. I guess this is just some general wall decor, those little pumpkin things above it. You can, if you're lazy like me, not carve your pumpkin and just buy something to stick on it and call it a day. Alright, more decor. That's bold. I actually kind of like that too. There's some fake succulents. I guess that's a thing. Lots of candles, some pumpkins, and I guess these are kind of more like gnomes. Oh, I did notice that Pennywise when I was actually walking through the store before. Some pillows and decorative pumpkins, and another wreath down there made out of bulbs. I guess just some dolls. Here's just general fall decor. I actually like the way this black cat is all spelled out but looks like a cat. That's kind of clever. And then we come to, I don't know, some body lotions and hand soaps and things and various fall scents. Don't really like the taste of pumpkin spice. I don't know why I would want to smell that way, but I know other people do, so can't complain too much, I guess. do get a lot of flack for some of my complaints and negative comments in these videos, but it's all because I love Halloween so much and I want us all to have the best of products. They've got some interesting cups here. And let's see, fall leaves, what? Anyway, more Day of the Dead. So I guess like the big sellers here this year are the Day of the Dead and the Nightmare Before Christmas. Of course, Walgreens always has Nightmare Before Christmas, maximizing the fall season as well as Christmas. It's kind of a neat glow effect with the jack-o'-lantern. And there we go, there's some bowls there, but here is the skeleton, and his price point is $35, so that's not too bad. And of course, some more Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm going to have to talk through this music and not let it play for too long, because of course I don't want to get YouTube mad at me and get a copyright strike. So we have that guy, and then we have this guy. I mean, is that supposed to be Sally, I guess? I mean, it looks a little not like her. And here is Jack Skellington raising his head. I don't know. I really honestly haven't seen the movie in forever. Is that a thing? Why is he raising his head? But they've got some mugs over here. There again is Sally. I mean, does that look like her too? Her hair looks like it's like a little bob or something. And Zero and a couple of other things. So I don't have a lot. I mean, I'm assuming it's been either picked over or just getting put out. One or the other. If you want any of this stuff, you should probably get it soon, because I don't expect they're going to fill it up much more than they have, considering Halloween is just about a month away. Here we have some women's socks. There's no selection of men's socks. Of course, I don't think a lot of men go to Walgreens to buy socks. And we've got an animated skeleton. Here's another pumpkin. I like his fangs there. And then, of course, they have a huge aisle of candy of all sorts. One thing, however, caught my eye. Let's take a closer look. It's monster poopers. In case you wanted your mummy or Dracula to poop out your candy, if that's your thing, you can go for it. Of course, there's also greeting cards for all of your friends. Let's just grab one at random and take a look at it. Halloween, do not go in the woods. Unless you're a bear. Walgreens really loves that poop humor, and that brings us to the end of the video. Let's check out this guy.
Beware. I know you're there. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Ghouls and goblins, vampires, out to get you.
That'll do it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy haunting.